Hi, I'm Tamir from TadiBrothers, and in this video I'll show you how to vertically adjust the high-definition license plate backup camera. Before we get started, I wanted to recommend that you bench test everything. It gives you a better understanding of how the system works, and it'll give you a quicker and cleaner installation. The first camera we're going to work on is the bar camera. That one has two hex screws here in the front and standard screws in the back. To change the angle of the lens itself, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the front ones. We're using a 1.5 millimeter hex bit right here. Let me open this up for you. Be careful not to lose these guys because they're very hard to come by. Second here. Okay. And now we're going to flip it over right here, and we're going to open the three screws that we have here. One second here. The reason some people want to adjust these cameras is because depending on your use. If you're using it on a regular vehicle, you might want to straight ahead. If you're trying to hitch something, you might want it pointing all the way down, or if you have some kind of gooseneck situation, you might want it pointing up. It really just depends on your uses. Some of the systems that have this type of camera is the truck system, the 78599, that's a SKU number on TadiBrothers.com, or the frame version of that, 78589. Both of those are wireless high definition license plate cameras. So here is the lens. Now you can adjust it because I opened up these screws. We can adjust it up and down like that. Now when you're pushing on it, it's going to move it around up here. This thing's going to come up. So you might want to, once you're done, hold it down to when you get the angle that you want. So I'm going to point it all the way down, pretending I want to hitch it. And now we're going to close it up. When closing it, you want to start from the back. Basically the reverse of how we opened it, because that locks it into position, and then the other one just locks it permanently, that it doesn't move. The hex screws. Alright, so now we're going to close this up here. There, like that. There we go. Here's one more. Alright. Now let's do the hex. Remember, these are 1.5 millimeter hex screws, or hex bit. When you're tightening this, you don't want to tighten it till it breaks. Just make it tight so it doesn't fall out. You'll feel it with your fingers when you're doing it. Second here. Okay. And there you have it. Now it won't move. It's locked. Everything's in place. The LED lights are in position. Everything is good. And we've just adjusted the camera lens on the bar camera. If you want to do one of our ultra high definition commercial grade cameras, all you have to do is unscrew these two front screws. If it's still not giving you the adjustment that you want, you might want to open up the screws back here. But that's all there is to it. That's a standard screwdriver. And regarding the frame camera, it's the same concept as the other high definition camera, but you only have these two screws up here or down here below. Unscrew these, adjust it, and then tighten it back up, and you're good to go. And now you know how to adjust the lens on a high definition license plate camera. Keep in mind that this works even if you have a black, a white, or a silver version of this frame. And so it doesn't matter which way it is. It's just if it looks like this, one of these, that's how you do it. For more information or tech support, feel free to call us at 866-966-5550. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this video helps. If you're still shopping, pop over to TadiBrothers.com or give us a call. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at TadiBrothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.